pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, pumpkin muffins, pumpkin cake. You can make sweet desserts with homemade pumpkin puree. You're going to need fresh pumpkin pie or pumpkin sugar, about 3 to 5 pounds. Optionally, you can remove green steam, that's if you're strong enough. Use a sharp and safe knife. Carefully cut pumpkin in half. Then scoop out all the seeds. You can use spoon or a fork. Set pumpkin seeds aside. That's if you want to roast them. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Grab a large baking sheet and line with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Place pumpkin halves cut side down on a baking sheet. You bake for 45 to 60 minutes until pumpkin flesh is tender and can be pierced easily with fork. Once it's done, let pumpkin cool a little bit, then scoop all the flesh from the skin. The best appliance will be blender. You can use food processor or even a chopper. Puree pumpkin flesh until smooth or to your desired consistency. You should get about 2 cups, that's 450 grams of pumpkin puree. You can store in an airtight container or tight seal mason jars, probably will be the best choice. Refrigerate and use within 1 week. For pumpkin seeds, rinse them in cold water just a few times until they're clean. Let them dry on a paper towel, then toss with your favorite spices or seasonings. Spread them on the baking sheet and roast them in the oven for 20-30 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy them as a topping for salads, in baking, or with granola for breakfast. Enjoy this recipe and I will see you next time. Bye!